The third annual Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival is coming up fast.
That's right. The week-long event is a showcase for the area's cool culinary scene. Yummy. There is a full plate of events that will have foodies smiling from ear to ear. Things are getting
The third annual Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival is coming up fast.
That's right. The week-long event is a showcase for the area's cool culinary scene. Yummy. There is a full plate of events that will have foodies smiling from ear to ear. Things are getting hot in Broward. The Greater Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival is back in town.
We really try to put the spotlight on Greater Fort Lauderdale and the chefs that are here.
The festival gives folks a chance to discover the deliciousness of the 954.
There is a great foodie scene here. They don't have to go north or south. They can stay right here in Broward County.
One of the tastiest events is being thrown by a local hospitality group, the restaurant people at Java and Jam. It's called the TRP Takeover.
Executive chefs from the restaurants are going to be all together doing different courses throughout the night.
YOLO is sending its chef to the takeover to create a dish from the deep.
I am making a panca marinated octopus with an olive and harissa ragu and bucatini pasta.
The octopus is grilled, cut up, and sautéed with the ragu ingredients, then mixed in with the pasta and plated. Apparently, it is to die for.
The dish was really good. It tastes like fabulous, everything with everything.
Over at TRP Taste, you'll find out how to turn cold cuts and cheeses into works of arts.
I'm lucky enough to be able to do a demonstration called The Art of Charcuterie, which is meant to show that charcuterie can be done at home. And we're also doing a freshly pulled mozzarella aspect.
Learning how to put a charcuterie board together or make fresh mozzarella will feel less like school and more like hanging out with a foodie friend.
So it's basically me welcoming people into our home here at TRP Taste, right on the ground floor underneath the rooftop.
Speaking of rooftop, there's something wet and wild going on up there, too.
We're hosting what's known as Cocktail Confidential. It's a unique experience where you get to go up and try some of our master curated cocktails.
We're talking about liquid beauties like the Tequila Sour Riff and the Garden Party. Looks like the Greater Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival will be great indeed.
I am so excited for the festival to connect with all of my friends.
The festival kicks off Monday, January 10th and runs through the 16th. It benefits the Joe DiMaggio Children's Hospital. For more information, go to WSVN.com and click on links mentioned. Links, like sausages.
Imagine if you were an octopus and you had that many hands. All the things you could get done throughout the day.
Oh, I could get a lot done with hands like that.
What would you do with all those hands?
It's Friday.
John would benefit from that, I'm sure.